All right, y'all, it has happened yet again. What I like to call that Nike uses this strategy called the Kobe effect. And it happened again today, and y'all didn't even notice it. Let me tell you what's going on.
I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about this drop that did happen today, the Air Force One Kobe Bryant's. This was the home colorway, and then we had the joints that you see on the screen is going to be the away colorway, which is going to be the black joints. And Nike did what they do best, man. They created hype surrounding a pair of sneakers that shouldn't have been there, and they should have done this release completely different. But before we get off into the discussion, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 20K, and we got a giveaway coming at 20K, so make sure you guys run up the likes, share the content, and do all those great things. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Now, first, before I start with this discussion, I had an opportunity, shout out to my people over at Private Sneakers on Instagram. I had an opportunity to secure my pair of the away colorway, which is the black pair, but I didn't check my DMs and reserve my pair in time. But I will have a review coming for you guys via a live with one of my homeboys that did hit on the pair. So I do want to show that pair to you guys, so make sure you got your notification bells turned on. Now, as far as these releases go, one of the things about this is that Nike took a shoe, the Air Force One, that everybody likes, but majority of the people love the white Air Force Ones and not the black. So what I mean by they created hype is that first off, they've been doing a very good job since Kobe passed away at manipulating things and creating this hype around his sneakers. They normally would sit on the shelves. They're creating limited supplies. They're creating sneaker stashes, shock drops in certain locations on the getting the sneakers. And then my favorite, well, not really my favorite, I'm being sarcastic when I say that, they're creating this limited releases, man. And they're utilizing Kobe's numbers, GG numbers, and stuff like that, significant numbers in Kobe's life, to push this agenda that, you know what, this is okay because it's got a hidden Kobe and Mamba agenda behind it. It's not okay. Just release enough pairs for everybody to get. But nonetheless, we did have about 35,000 of this pair that did drop on the sneakers app today. And then it was a couple of pairs that was floating out there as well. This pair was received from City Gear, and they did drop these things. So they made the white ones available. And it shows you when they make a sneaker available, as you guys can see on the screen, this is the current resale value of this sneaker. Before we heard about stock numbers and stuff like that, this sneaker was reselling for about $400, right? If you had them early. Now that they've dropped in the pairs and we've seen which one was the most limited, this sneaker is right around retail on the aftermarket, which is what we want, man. So if you are a Kobe fan or if you really want this sneaker is affordable. We're able to attain it, and that's what we want. Now, with the black pair, they made it to where it was not released on the sneakers app unless they're going to do something different. But it was only 8,000 pairs made, so they made it limited. But then they also only gave it to certain stores located in California. I don't know any stores located outside of California that had this sneaker. So if y'all know anything, comment down below in the comment section. But nonetheless, now you have a pair of Air Force Ones that nobody cares about, the black Air Force Ones. But they care when they make it limited. And then they did a lot of embossing and engraving on this one. It's got a lot of details on it. I feel like it's fire, but I'm hearing a lot of people say that it's trash. They don't like it. But they were only going after it because it was only 8,000 pairs made. So when you throw that number on there, and now you got people throwing out this stuff, or if you got number 2024, that's going to be worth more money. If you got number 8, that's going to be worth the most money. So now, like I said, they created this hype. They created this anticipation, this excitement around a limited sneaker that if they would have dropped that black pair the same way that they dropped the white one in a large quantity, I promise you that sneaker will be sitting on the shelf. Not many people would have been going after it. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Were you able to hit on this sneaker? Are you guys going to be going for it? As you can see right now on the screen, the current resale for the black ones is $400, and it's climbing up, man. It's because once those 8,000 hit the ground running, it's not going to be any more. They'll never produce that sneaker again, so the value is going to go up. So y'all let me know if you hit on those. Is there going to be a keeper for you, or are you going to flip it? Just let me know down in the comment section. If it was me, I definitely probably would be holding on to it. I think the white ones will go up in price, but it's going to be way down the line. But that's all I got for y'all. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. I appreciate you. Y'all know the saying, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got back, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs in the